I just wanted to help some of you guys that work on the Rotax 912 series. Problem I had that took me 5 hours to find it, so I thought I'd just do a little video to help you out. This particular plane misfired after about 2 minutes of flying. It started with a kind of a steady bump, kind of like a major ignition shutting off, and then it went into a more and more of a misfire the warmer the engine got. Got to be fairly serious with time as it goes on. Of course, by the time you landed and checked things, it seemed fine. During my tests, I did many things. I started with the normal kill switches, which, you know, the ignition switch can be a problem on these. So I started with that. That was fine. Switched ignition modules, did the normal stuff. Got back to the triggers in the back on the back side of the engine, and they all tested good. And I also put a heat on them because my theory was that whatever it was the warmer the engine got, the bigger the problem. And that all checked good too. Then I started checking the coils across. You can look at my diagram there. 16K to 18K is kind of normal across these if you start considering the resistance of the plug-ins and things like that. And everything tested good cold. Then I took the heat gun and warmed up the coils one by one. And as I did that, while measuring across from from plug wire to plug wire, finally my problem showed up. And this is a video that shows you. I take the heat gun there and I apply heat to the coil. And it's supposed to, you know, all the other ones stayed rock solid there around 6.5 K ohms, 6.4 K ohms. You can see this when it warms up, it starts taking off hot. And look at it here as it gets closer. All of a sudden it's going to just go open on me, and certainly that was going on. It was increasing resistance, giving me the bump, and then as time went on, it would just drop right out, and you'd lose spark on 2 cylinders for half the deal. So, hope that helps you guys out. Have a good one.